It's laundry day. We got up early and left the campsite, came into town to do laundry and get supplies. We were getting low on everything and getting a lot of dirty clothes piling up. So it's time to get in here in this little small town laundromat, check it out. It's a nice establishment. They do have a couple of dryers that are out of service, but look at the price of this wash. $2 a load. I'm going to do all my laundry for $5. We got to scope it out. Let's come over here. Let's see what we need over here. We can get change over here. We can get our fabric softeners. They got a car wash next door with a faucet out back, so I'm going to fill up my water jugs back there. That's where one of the locals told me to come to get water for free. Let's get this laundry done and go deeper in the forest. All right. Thanks for stopping by. So this is what happens when you don't give up on a campsite. When the first one is a dud, you keep driving into the mountains. Oh, there's a little ground squirrel. Check out this view. Amazing. There's Kev down there. He's got his video on me while I got my video on him. Look at this lake. This is even a better view than the last spot. We stayed there for 8 days. Look at that tiny little island down there. There's a lot of islands in this lake, and they're a lot bigger than that one, but I like that one. I'm gonna call that Tiny Island. So there is still some snow up on that mountain peak in the center there. I have to check my app and tell you what our elevation is. I'm thinking it's about 2,900, but that mountain up there is twice that. Wow, what a view. Let's walk down here and see what Kev's got going on in his camp spot. Check out Kev's spot.
Well, hey, Matt.
What's up, Kev?
How are you doing?
I'm doing amazing. How are you doing?
You want to trade cameras for a second? Let me take your camera. You take mine. And now I'm vlogging for Matt right now, and he's vlogging for me. Isn't that great?
Amazing.
Amazing. All right, let's give our cameras back.
All right. What are you doing there, Barrett and Bella?
We're going to let Matt do the vlogging on my channel right now. He's going to walk by in his video.
Look at this place. So here's where the road dead ends, right here. There's the bucket. So yeah, this is what we got. Here's pan around. So we don't have a huge flat spot to spread out in like the other spot, but we decided to go ahead and leave it. You can be there for 14 days. We were there for 8. We had to go into town and do laundry today anyway. So when we left the laundromat, went to a market, got some groceries, and then we headed out through the forest road. We went up to a spot that the forest ranger told us about that was supposed to be about a mile away from our previous site. Turns out it wasn't that great. It was a logging road, and there was a lot of debris left around. When the logging companies got through, they kind of just left it a mess. So we said, let's drive on up. And I guess we went another probably 5 to 7 miles. And really all we did was we came south of where we were before, because we were way up at the north end of the lake. And now we're down at the south end. Priest Lake. And it's going to be crowded this weekend. It's a 3-day weekend because 4th of July is on Monday. And people will probably be taking off Thursday to make a 4-day weekend out of it. So I haven't set up my Starlink on top of the van yet because I got cell signal here. Yeah, I'm streaming. And I can't believe it. But I'm streaming. Thanks to G for turning me on to the Visible service provider and providing the new phone. This camera is much better than the old one, and I'm enjoying this service by Visible. I used to have Straight Talk, And I was not happy with Straight Talk. It was just too sketchy. The service was not that great. Let's look inside the Matty Wagon and see what I got going on in here. Oh, I forgot to put my screen down. I'm letting all the bugs in. So I'm good to go. You know how I know? Because I got a 15-pack of Keystone Light and some Diet Dr. Pepper. So I'm good to go. Kevin turned me on to the Keystone Light. I used to like Miller Lite, but I actually like the Keystone Light. It's a very light, crisp, refreshing beer that just don't rock your world, you know. It's something you can sit around the campsite and sip on most of the day without feeling a terrible hangover the next day. Look at this view. It's going to be pretty hot today, and the only shade we have is the shade that we created by putting this tent up. So until late in the day, I think I'm going to park it right here. And I believe the sun is going to set right across the lake there, because this lake runs north and south. It's a long, narrow lake. So apparently there is a dam down there somewhere. I think I see a spillway down there. I think that's what it is. And then the river continues flowing on down in that direction. So I just checked my elevation app, and we're at 4,100 feet. I didn't think we had gone up that much in elevation. The last campsite was 2,976, so I thought we were about the same. But yeah, we're up another 1,100 feet. This campsite's going to be awesome because since we're on a dead-end road, there shouldn't be any side-by-sides or four-wheelers or any other cars coming by and kicking up so much dust. So that's another thing I like about a dead-end campsite. All right, my friends, take care, be well, and smash the bell.